What is it, sweetheart?
So this location is super good for breakfast. Like lots of very interesting breakfast. Like their bread is
Look at this chocolate.
way so huge that
Hot
it's
coffee.
good for two people for
Look
one
at the
order.
banana
Really
cappuccino.
amazing the taste.
Cookie tree latte.
Teriyaki sandwich, egg
A
bomb
dalgona latte.
with lots of
Pistachio
cheese.
latte.
Super
Chocolate
good.
latte. Wow,
The
Mont
one
Blanc.
that we order
It's
here in
expensive
the cafe.
And we
The
have
choices I order,
iced
of course, the
coffee.
same. I always did. It's the coffee latte.
Dalgona
My
rose.
sweetheart,
Honey
he ordered
latte.
the pistachio
Cherry
latte,
blossom
and I tried it
latte.
on, and it's super
Yes, brulee.
good. It's so
Oceana.
delicious. The coffee latte.
And black tea.
It was
Some more
really
coconut
worth
coffee
it
blends.
to have a breakfast here at Egg Bomb. Oh my goodness, super
Marshmallow
delicious.
latte.
There
Cream
and also
latte.
big servings, and the coffee is so good,
Dalgona latte.
worth it.
And sky latte.